In a recent poll, nearly 45% of people in the United States reported that they are facing mental health issues due to worry and stress over the virus. Every sixth adult in the European Union alone was affected by mental ill health before the COVID-19 outbreak. That's more than 84 million people. The economic impact of poor mental health cost the EU 4% of GDP in lost productivity and social costs. As more people enter into lockdown, people are forced to self isolation. Growing levels of stress and anxiety are just the tip of the iceberg. Krati is a 24-year-old who has been waking up with nightmares for the past few weeks as she is fearful of the uncertain future. Her face to face consult meetings with the psychologist have been cancelled, and such heightened levels of anxiety cause her panic attacks and anxiety induced headaches. There are more than 450 million people in the world like Krati. Solving these problems, Asha aims to bring social inclusion. Using Asha app, people can seek mental support from psychologists via text, audio call or video call, as you can see on the top right corner of the screen, and they can also book an appointment for a later date. So coming to the psychologist app, let's say I can set my availability, that my availability is from 9:54 p.m. to 10:54 p.m. and on the users app I can book the appointment for the same psychologist. So I get the date, I request the psychologist that I need to book the appointment, and then on the psychologist app I actually get that request, which I can approve or I can just ignore that request. So yeah, and as you can see, we have made the mobile application. Apart from this, the app also makes a short summary of the user's chat session that can be used for recap by the psychologist before the follow-up session. And the algorithms also predict the user's emotions based on his or her interaction with the psychologist. These algorithms have been made discreetly as of now. We have also started our own Instagram page to spread positivity, and we have got around 100 followers on the same. Apart from that, we have onboarded 20 psychologists on our platform that have been verified as well. In the future, we plan to do private beta testing of the application next week, and simultaneously we would be integrating our algorithms with our mobile application and working on the security aspect to ensure GDPR compliance.